How to fix Facebook app not updating news feed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are facing this issue, the major cause is a Wi-Fi. So make sure that your Wi-Fi speed is optimum, or you can switch into a cellular data or enable your airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off. After which, just go ahead and launch Facebook once again and try to refresh your Facebook feed. If that still does not work, what you need to do is check out your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down and click on the apps option and head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Facebook. Now in here, force stop your application and OK. Then head to storage and cache, then click on the clear cache option. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. After you do so, the last thing that you can do is check for an update. For that, you can tap open your Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, open up your App Store. Then you can search for Facebook. Now if you see an update button, make sure to leave your application on update. So this is how you can easily fix the issue. Thank you so much for tuning in.